Hello, my Urhobo people. How una dey? Una miss me? I know say una go don miss me well well. The reason be say, if you observe say for a while now, I no dey post as before again. The reason be say I dey very busy for work because I'm a civil servant. I'm also a businessman. So, you know, na the time wey I dey less busy now I dey post post videos for TikTok, Facebook and the rest. If you observe say for a while now I no dey post again because I dey very busy, and very soon I go come back dey post again. you you miss my dance. If you know say you miss my dance, let me type for the comment section say you miss my dance, make I know say yes, make I know the people wey say miss my dance. And I dey very happy say majority of Urhobo sons and daughter dey don dey play Urhobo song now, day and night on their page. I dey very very happy well well because na the reason why make me start to dey promote Urhobo. Na me be the first person wey promote Urhobo online. I don start am 5 years ago. From na Facebook I start am. When I dey post am, a lot of people dey call me say they be Ogbu Urhobo. I tell them say come, I be confirm Urhobo man. I no go fit claim another person. So I don discover say Urhobo songs, Urhobo people don dey, Urhobo children don dey like play Urhobo song. If you dey play Urhobo song, they come to say you be Ogbu Urhobo, say you no open eye or you no expose. Life no be like that. Igbo people dey always play their song. Yoruba people dey always play their song. Other tribe dey always play their song. Why be say Urhobo we no dey play our song? They shame or shame to play our song. It's not right. So I dey very happy right now say Urhobo songs and daughter all over the whole world, they are now playing Urhobo songs on their page, in their house, in their home. In fact, they now identify themselves as an Urhobo. In fact, I'm very happy. So very soon I'll do video again. The reason why I no dey post picture for this while because I dey very busy for work, and again the death of Justin Naja, e pay me well well. E pay me well well. If you follow me for Facebook, there was a day I do a live video, I cry because e pay me well well. I love Justin Naja song so much, so much. Anywhere I dey Justin Naja song na I dey play. If I dey house na I dey play. If I dey work na I dey play. Inside my car na I dey play. If I dey on alone na I dey play. So Justin Naja song is full of wisdom, knowledge and understand. What other more Urhobo, Woko no Urhobo, you are missing. You are missing. Always play Urhobo songs. You understand? Use Urhobo songs as your ringtone. As for me, the two phones what I get, the two SIM card when I get, na Urhobo song na be my ringtone. If you call me now, the first one you go hear na what's it called? Na Ofwa. The other one again na Justin Naja. So anywhere I dey, if you call me, anybody wey dey around wey don't know before go know say I be Urhobo person. So identify yourself as an Urhobo. Be proud of where you are from. Be proud where you are from. You are an Urhobo. You are an Urhobo. So thank you all for following the page. Very soon I go display dance again. You understand? I know say some of una don miss my dance. Don't worry. I will soon start again because I dey very busy for work. That is why. I don't think when I gym, I say make I call gym this afternoon, gym small, so that very soon I go start. You know, it's my dance. My people know very soon I go dance again. I hope you go share my videos, abi? All right, thank you. See you guys. Bye.